Welcome to the vlog. That is the worst way to start a vlog.
The worst.
Oh,
Mr. Blank.
so we are traveling from Brisbane to Las Vegas. There's some really cool and exciting things happening out here. And this is going to be a vlog showing you behind the scenes of why we have to go all the way to America to review products that can't get shipped to Australia. All right, so we made it to Vancouver. We actually have a 6-hour layover, but luckily we have access to the Air Canada lounge, which is kind of nice. You get a lot of work done. Editing some videos, basically, that you probably have already seen before this vlog comes out. Or if you haven't seen them, go check them out. You know, cool gear comes my way, and I have to, you know, make a video and share it. So that's the mission. That's the plan. That's the goal. Now, just a quick 3.5-hour flight to Vegas, and Vegas is just one of those iconic places, and even with that new Sphere showing up, it looks awesome to fly into. Vegas, baby! So basically, we get to the airport, we have to take a cab to our friend's house. She's letting us use her car for the couple of weeks that we're here, which is great. All right, this is always a tradition here. First thing I do is eat Taco Bell when I go to America. And then we had an 1.5-hour drive out to here, to Arizona. So my aunt, they live out here now. And so we're going to do all of this unboxing tomorrow. Like, look at all of these packages ready. This is all the stuff that gets sent. This is the job, you know, like you didn't plan on making this the job, but then it becomes the job. And it's a fun job. All right, good morning. It's the next day, and so drink some coffee, and then we're gonna get going on all of these packages. And it's a lot of work. It's like Christmas morning.
I would not get this much stuff on Christmas morning.
I think the idea is just going through the bags first. And this is the plan. We just go through each box and we see what's in it, and then we can open them up later and test them out and try them out and make our videos. And as you can see, there are some really cool products that are coming out of this, and I mean some very random ones as well. Some kind of microfiber towel, USB-C Oculus Quest cable. This is Fine embroidery kit, 3-in-1 fast charging cable, 3-in-1 hub, 4-in-1 hub, 5-in-1 hub, 7-in-1 hub, and the 9-in-1 hub. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Put the box cutter down.
Liquid job.
Rechargeable AA batteries. Sync wire, magnetic phone rings. So yeah, we got a bunch of clothing as well sent. We get to model.
Yes.
Hot touch top for Emma. Pete Nitri. It's a bike phone holder. 360-degree high sensitivity microphone. Bread. These are elastic laces. That smells good. Did you spray something? Oh, it's this. It's the Moxie aromatherapy. I was like, that smells so good. Oh, there you go. That's the first part of that review. Moxie shower spray. Smells so good. Let's change angles here. Oh, this is the smart lock from LNDU.
Ooh. The shirt. Also another shirt. This is like a nice little like waffle set.
And I get it. At this point, you're probably going, that's a lot of stuff. What do you need all of that stuff for? What are you going to do with the stuff after you're done? And yes, those are all valid questions, and I'll address some of them later on in the video. But at this point, we're just getting started on unboxing.
It's a phone case, but it looks like a camera.
4K dash cam from Rode.
Okay.
Yeah, check that out.
That's so small.
It is small. That looks good. This thing is pretty cool. It looks like a speaker with a light. It's good for camping and stuff. I saw Luke Edwin review this, so I'm excited to check this one out. These are some more smart locks from a different company, but they look very similar to the other one. We have 3 of them. This is an IX Tech dynamic microphone. Unbox Me. It's like a gift set.
Ooh, I'll have that.
It's got like a little light on the back of it. Pro Series 3 is a electric toothbrush. Outdoor string lights. Professional tripod. A slider on the tripod. Tire repair kit. Vitamin B12. Protein infused water.
Bluetooth speaker. That was it. This tiny thing in this box.
What is that? Pubes? Pubs? I'm gonna have to get a suitcase to bring a lot of this back to Australia. And it goes on and on and on and on some more. there's just so many things to open up and look at. And
Oh yeah.
a snack box that you can buy on Amazon, and you get all of this. You know, it's fun, but it is also a lot of work. This is from Badass Moto. And you're like, you don't have a motorcycle. And that's true, I don't. But the people that we're with right now, they do. And they get to keep this. Whoa, look at this box.
Like,
It plays music?
yeah, and then the sound waves come through the mat like while you sleep on it.
What?
To, like help you sleep.
That's gonna be cool. CES and Innovation Awards.
Wow.
Then another delivery happened, and this is what we got.
I got it.
Centank USB hub, Blue Ready toilet seat covers, the Ranvu bladeless fan. It's gonna be nice to have in a hot day. Got a tabletop fire pit. This comes in from Housewise. Also some fire starters from Housewise. A nice little pocket air duster. A really high quality knee brace from Ninika. And a microphone setup system thing from Zeal Sound. And that's what came just then. There's still some stuff on its way, so hopefully it gets here before we leave. Okay, so these next ones are obviously a scooter from Unagi, another scooter from, is that?
Karoma.
And then an Outdoor Masters skateboard. So Unagi was like one of the first companies to ever reach out and send a scooter for my channel to review. I still use that a lot around the office, so I'm excited to try this one. This is an upgrade to that. Okay, so that was about an hour long and we unboxed everything. So with Amazon, we don't just do like one video, we do like a bunch of them. Like, I don't like to call them reviews on this thing. Like, they're not really reviews. It's more of a hands-on experience of what it's like. So if you are a consumer looking to purchase this thing, there's just some things in Amazon that you just are unsure of, like especially when you're looking at the pictures and you can tell that they're photoshopped, but like seeing it in a real world scenario, that's kind of what we do here. All right, so it's another day, a couple of reviews done, but a lot of organizing, but we got through that, and now look at all the stuff I have to do. Let me just give you a little bit of inside the process here. So basically, I have all of these products, and what I like to do is do like an unboxing of them at first. And luckily we actually got sent, as you saw, a tripod and this little overhead camera rig. So let me show you. So we have this here, really nice quality tripod, actually. I like that a lot. And then this part right here that comes up and it sticks out really far so you can get an overhead shot. And so I'm actually using this now to do overhead shots. And then this way it just makes it a lot easier. This way it makes it a lot easier to unbox it and just see what it is first before I talk about it. 'Cause sometimes, you know, when you try to do like the raw unboxing and talking about the product, you're figuring things out as you go. And sometimes it's nice to kind of like know what they are first, instead of wasting a lot of time going, what is this? Oh, and then, oh, that's cool. That's, you know, it's nicer to just kind of figure it out. Also charge the products up too. We got a lot of really cool stuff. It's some really awesome stuff here. This is the Lingdu dash cam. It's a wireless camping speaker with a lantern. It's 36 times. So look how far away that is, that mountain. And look, you're listening to it right now. Like, we're out and about. All of the tools that you need for tire repair. So yeah, the reviews are kind of raw, but they're also edited together. So I do get to play with the products, figure out how they work, test them out. I do give my opinion in some cases, but show you what these products are like in a real world scenario. And also, you're listening to it right now. This is what it sounds like. This is it right here. Check 1, check 2. And yeah, you can hear what it sounds like. This is the quality of it. It sounds really good. Let's just have a look at what it looks like on my awesome hot pink motorbike. Bacon, pork belly, pork chops. Really great fan. It's also pretty quiet too. So now we are able to bring a bunch of this stuff back to Australia so we can do some more follow-up videos with it. But for the things that we have to leave behind, we do a lot of giveaways and donations, and hopefully others can benefit from it. It would make a perfect gift for someone, or even just for yourself if you like to write in a journal. Dear Diary.
Dear Diary.
We're leaving this area today. I think we've done just about everything we needed to do here. And yeah, so we're having a little bit of fun on this thing.
It's a wildcat.
It's a wildcat. This is on Amazon. I wish. We've been having fun. Have you been having fun so far?
Yeah, it's been busy.
It's been busy, but it's been great. It's kind of like, it's giving you something to do, and it's also exciting because you're learning about new products all the time. And some of them are just super fun and like more impressive than you would think just looking at the box. That is really impressive. You know, it's nice to pull out the camera and just start talking to it, but at the same time, I'm at the end of this this section of the vlog, and it's like I haven't even edited anything, so I don't even know how it's gonna fit together. To vlog a trip means you're vlogging your trip, like the vlog is the thing that you're doing, versus we're doing all this other stuff, and then the vlog is just a secondary thing. Really, you need to make the vlog.
You can't do the vlog and something else.
Yeah, you can't do the vlog and something else. It just makes it too hard. Also, like, you know, there's points where like we went to like out to eat and stuff with my aunt and uncle. By the way, shout out to Jonah and Rocky for having us. It's been awesome here. And man, I love it out here. Like, I'm kind of jealous that we don't live somewhere like this. So I guess that would be a good spot to end. We'll call this vlog number 1. Maybe just vlog, because who knows if there's going to be another one.
Yeah.
And I don't know. If you guys like this kind of behind the scenes look at this travel and just the craziness of what we do here, you know, feel free to hit that like button and let me know in the comments. Drop a comment and let me know if you'd like to see more of this kind of stuff. And you know, if it's
I can't get my seatbelt.
if people like it, then we'll do it.
I ruined the video.
I know, you always do.
Say your end bit again, sorry. It makes funny content for you.
That's good enough.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Vlog out.